research field, we are very competitive in Europe and in the other country. I think in USA too. But it's very hard to have financement in research field. And we can go up to the economic crisis in research and in technological innovation when the fund will give without any familiaristic support that is a typical kind of, I think, of Italy, and in south of Italy it's very strong. I see in other countries like in North Europe or in a lot of states or in USA for research is very different, because there are a lot of standard to give the fund, and it's not so here. And I think that if only if Italian people can be in the same paradigm to have the economic financement from the state, it could be a good step for competitive with other European states. I think that research and innovation go with the same step, because there isn't innovation without classic and strong research. Innovation is not invention, that is a different thing. Innovation is go out of the standard of the classical paradigm, but only with a strong study in research you can make innovation. And I think that Italy is very up in this field. I think that we have a very strong competition with other states. That I think this can be for us a good point to go on. Real example of how research and innovation have developed in my university in specificity and my land is that I think that the relation that is with the territory and with the company or the society and with the laboratory of research and the network, all the network is very important for the development of my field of research, because in research we haven't the fund for to have different instruments of our field. Then if I work with, for example, with neuroimaging, I can have, it's very difficult that I can have financement for to build, in this example of Living Lab, a movie of virtual reality. And in this situation, it was very important because with the financement of the region, we had a financement to construct tools, a technological tool with new technology, and we tested it with a new kind of scientific paradigm. That I think that is this concept to give found is very important to develop new field in research and in university too. It's very important to make a network, because I think that we make in a social condition what we are in brain too. So in brain we have the neural network. Neural network are the connection between neurons, and it allow fast communication between the lobe and the hemisphere of the brain. And if something is broken, it's very easy to repair because there is the network. It's the same with the social network and the network of research with the factory with the company and the research and the laboratory, because we can make real to international level and to local level. We can real make a network. It's very important to have a better communication of different information. And it's better because if we are together in a network, we never broken, because it's more easier to go up. I think that the mechanism and the tools that can allow more good collaboration between the actor of innovation is really best practice and autonomous management of the found in research, and to have a good feeling in the goals of the network. Only this. In my field, I work with cognitive neuroscience and psychophysiological field. And I work with innovation, with virtual reality and augmented reality. And I present a living lab that is called Easy Perception Lab. And this living lab is very innovative because it uses an interface with brain and with computer. And this kind of study is called brain-computer interface in research. and we analyze all the frame for the movie in virtual reality for a museum with the EEG, that is electroencephalogram, and with a very particular analysis of EEG that is called event-related potential. All the results of the cerebral arousal when we have a perception in virtual reality are used to construct, to build the movie in virtual reality. So the movie is really an ergonomic movie for not only for normal people, but for disability too. And other research for innovation that in university I'm working are two patents. One is an international patent device for cerebral synchronization, and the other is an Italian patent that a device for olfactory perception in electroencephalogram that I build with the CNR, the Institute of Microelectronic and Microsystemic in Lecce. And the last is a project in cost. It's about pain and dementia, and it's specific for new technology in medicine field. I work, collaborate in my university with the international reality. In Europe, the group of COAST that I say before, in this group we work with the SME in Aalborg. SME is the sensory motor interaction research. They work with the robotic and moving, and we work with German and with Israel and with a lot of countries in near the Mediterranean area. And I have a collaboration in USA too. And I think for this, I think that we are very competitive for research in respect a lot of countries.